What's the meaning of carnal knowledge? Carnal knowledge. Carnal knowledge.
Carnal knowledge. Carnal knowledge. The term carnal knowledge refers to sexual intercourse or sexual activity between two individuals. It is typically used in a legal context to describe sexual acts that are considered illegal, particularly those involving minors or non-consenting adults. The result of engaging in such activities can include criminal charges, imprisonment, and social stigma. It is important to always obtain explicit and enthusiastic consent from all parties involved in any sexual encounter to ensure that it is safe, healthy, and consensual.